Hello people, welcome to Live Healthy with Judith. In today's video I'm going to show you all how I make one of the healthiest creams for your bread spread, your chicken wraps, and even your salad. And this cream is super rich and very healthy, and a lot of people have been asking me for recipes on some of my creams, so this video shows you one of those recipes. And I actually added it to my salad here, and it was so yummy. You can see how beautiful it is looking. Don't you just want to eat some of this? It is super healthy. And if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome to you, and please do not leave this channel until you have subscribed, because we love to have you in this family. And if you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you for sticking with us on this journey. So let's get right into the video. The first thing I'm going to be adding to my cup for this recipe is my famz unsweetened Greek yogurt. This Greek yogurt is the bomb. You can also use any other Greek yogurt of your choice, but please make sure it's the unsweetened one, because this is a healthy recipe. And the next ingredient I will be using is lime juice. I usually use lemon juice for this recipe, but because I couldn't get my lemons around, so I had to make do with what I have, and I added just a tablespoon of the lime juice. And be careful not to allow the seed go in with the juice. So people, which other recipes would you like me to share on this channel? Please put it in the comment section, and I would love to read from you all. You can also suggest any other video ideas with us that relates to what we do here on this channel. So my next ingredient for this recipe is my ginger and garlic paste, and I added just a little bit of it. And I will be going in next with my natural honey. Wow, I love this honey so much because it is just awesome in my recipes. And you can also use maple syrup if you have it available, but please do not use sugar, because it is a healthy recipe. And like I said, this is going to help you boost your total health. Yes, the cream is a very healthy cream. And my next ingredient is my cayenne pepper. You can also use any other grounded pepper you have, and I added a 1/4 tablespoon of this. And the last ingredient that is a bomb that you need to all watch is my dried mint sprinkles. If you're gonna like me to do a video for how I make this dried mint sprinkles, you can place it in the comment section, and I would work out a video to show you how I do my dried mint sprinkles. So I finally gave this a very good mix to incorporate all the ingredients by stirring it continuously for like 30 seconds. So if you're yet to click the subscribe button, please click it right now, and don't forget to also click the notification bell so you get to be the first to see every of our new uploads. And this is how it looks. It is looking so yummy and super rich. So people, would you try this recipe? Do let me know in the comment section, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with someone who would love to watch it. Thank you all so much for watching, and until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.